Hey Jody, Marketplace Boutique. So sad. See behind me, it's a bare wall. Ew. And I have a very small space. So my shelving came in. It was double the size. Send it back. Craftsman tools I'm sending out. Now, I did take $100 off the offer. That's okay. I bought the whole table for like $1, so I'm just gonna move it along and get rid of it. And this person said he could really use it for his woodworking, so that works out for both of us. Okay, so this is how I packed it, and it's in a plastic sleeve. And then I used my cute little Happy Valentine's stickers, and I got those off a seller on eBay, and she makes these. And I'll see if I can pull it up. It was a while ago, probably over a year ago, I bought a bunch of these. But they're super cute for the holidays, and I like being festive. The man that I'm sending this to doesn't mind my little cute sticker. I don't know, hopefully he just ignores it if he doesn't like it. Alright, and I keep all of my Amazon mailers, and I just have a little box in the back storage room. And so I pulled this out of there, and I'm just going to reuse it and tape it up really good. And it will be on its way. So here is the Woodworking Tools, and he paid around $28.50. I tried to do my labels, and we have a storm coming in, so everything is kind of offline, and I don't even think I have any internet, so thank goodness my phone is semi-working and I can just keep plugging along. Okay, here's a really nice Alfred Denner blazer jacket, and this one sold for around $20. Sometimes I wish I still worked at the law firm and then I could wear really nice clothes like this, but just doing eBay, it's usually kind of like jeans and t-shirts, and days like today I just have my husband's t-shirt on, so that's the Alfred Denner blazer jacket all packed up, and I'm gonna bag this in a large bag. So I'll probably use this roll, and then I'm going to seal it up with some tape and see what kind of prices I have. Okay, second thought, we'll use the freebie priority mail. This is a Tyvek envelope, and we're going to go with that. Okay, so flat rate envelope with the eBay shipping discount I get from top rated seller. That ended up being the cheapest way to go. So that is going out. I wish I could tell you where these are going, but nothing is still printing, so I'm turning off everything and restarting. Hopefully that helps, but we do have really awful icy weather right now, so that probably has something to do with it. Okay, here's a really pretty express dress. And they paid about $19. It's a little wrinkly. It's been folded in a bag. I thought I had it folded nice, but yeah, I guess he's got a little bit wrinkly. So I'm going to fold this up nice and put some tissue paper in there and send this one on its way. Okay, so this weighs under a pound, so it's going first class. And I'm going to bag it just to protect it and give it another layer of protection. And so that way, I mean, I double box and bag everything. And I think, you know, with people having different kinds of weather, like here, it's always really bad in Michigan. You really need to double bag. Just remember, this is my postal holiday. I do not get dressed up. And this is how I usually look when I'm packaging stuff, because I usually just list and do what I want and I don't care. Okay, so this is what I keep my jewelry in. I mark them J for jewelry 2, and then I put them in Ziploc bags. I really need to get the big bags and then do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and be a little bit more organized. So I keep like things together. I think I might have wadded this one up, and then I pulled this one out of there. And that's how I keep them together. But I got these little baggies and they were all new at just a store that was closing down, and I bought up their supplies. I like to save money. I'm extremely frugal, so usually if I see something that's expensive, I will try to find a way to get it cheaper. So, it's a set. It's really cute. I love this. This is like, let's see, can you see that? This was my favorite set, and it's so pretty. You can't really see it real good. If you check out my Instagram, I posted it on here. But, I really wanted to keep this one. But I knew I wasn't going to wear it, so it had to be sold. It's just so pretty. Love it. Okay, so here, I've come back later when I spent some time with family and picked up kids and took them to the dentist. Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. Okay, so it's about midnight, and I'm just making sure all my packages are done for tomorrow. And I have salt and pepper shakers, and if you really want to get breakables arriving well, and hopefully, crossing my fingers, I'll show you here. So I will double pack them, and it's wrapped a bunch in tissue paper box, and here's the other one. I've wrapped it around, but I'm going to wrap this one, and then I'm going to double wrap both of them together, and then I'm going to put it in another box and put padding around all that too, just to make sure that it gets there safely. And it doesn't matter how much something is, you want it to arrive safely no matter what the product is. So I'll put a link above or somewhere on here to show you like what this was. Okay, so here is the big huge roll, and I have went over it again. I'm going to go over it one more time, and I think I'll put some tissue paper over it just to make it look nice, because it kind of looks like a bag of drugs. Okay. Okay, so here it is, and it looks all nice and big. So I'm going to box this, and it will be ready to go. I think I'm falling asleep, but I'm so tired. Okay, so here I have the box that's ready to go, and usually I use priority boxes, but I'm just tired, and this is the size I needed, so I used my own, and I purchased these off eBay. And it fits, and that's what's going to happen. So now we're going to check shipping. So here you can see it's recording my screen because priority mail is this price. So let's go into Pirate Ship and see if that's any cheaper. Okay, so I went into Pirate Ship and I imported my sales, and I'm going to click get rate. And here we are going to ship. Not save. Then when you come down here, envelope, make sure you choose envelope. It's going to be way cheaper. Oh, I'm so tired I can't even pronounce my words anymore. Okay. I'm just going to go 15 because I don't remember good enough. And let's see. Padded, 12, 10, 15, get rates. Right here. Parcel select. Oh, you know, you probably don't want to use that. I've heard so many nightmares. So $10.96, $10.64 with my eBay top seller discount. So actually eBay is cheaper. UPS is $10.12. Then my husband would have to bring it, and I have so much family stuff going on right now that I am just going to pay up. So we are going to go 10 that I've paid for. So I am definitely in the red on shipping. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I just need to get this done. Okay, so here I have the Murano necklace, pendant, and earrings. So I'm going to just put them in two separate boxes, I think. And I bought these and they were super small, and usually I'm a pretty good judge of how big things are. No, I take that back. I'm totally lying. I always have to measure everything. So, yeah. I think these are supposed to be, what, 2? I thought they were like 2 and something. Yeah, they are. See how small that is? So I guess this is a good excuse to use these. And I'm going to put them in here. And I'll probably put them in another box too. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's cute. I like that. So I'm going to put these in here. And then I'm going to put them in another like 4x4 jewelry box. I'm just going to wrap that up and send it. I'll probably bubble wrap it. I want to make sure this one gets here. They're good because it's one of my favorite things. So I gotta make sure this gets there. Okay, it's so pretty. I love this thing so much. I'm so sad to see it go. So it's going to a home where somebody will use it. Okay, so here is the 4x4. And I'm gonna put these cute little things in here. So they're all nestled in there, so cute as a bug in a rug. And I am going to bubble wrap this and put it in a tie vac. This one sold for about, I think, $49. And that was with shipping. And I used Pirate Ship to send this one out. Okay, and on the last one, I bought that for about $1. Or, yeah, I think it was about $1 at a live auction. And this one was an online auction, and it was a lot of sewing supplies. And I did take a diamond ring out of this, which I have not sold yet. And I will probably scrap that. And then I took some pearl buttons out of this one, and those sold for about $80. And so I paid about $3 for this because I think there was 2 of them. So this one sold for $96. Here is a necklace, and this one came in a Goodwill box, and so it was probably cents into this one. And this one sold. Okay, here's some salt and pepper shakers, and I do need to up my shipping charges. I have not done that yet. So I was not able to ship it for that price, but that's okay. It was a few dollars more. And eBay's discount ended up being the cheapest way to ship these. So definitely check your shipping rates and make sure that you have the current rates. Okay, so that's it. Have a good day, everybody.